Welcome! If you're tired of constant notifications from Instagram chats and need a break, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to mute chat notifications on Instagram for exactly 24 hours, using the most up-to-date method for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access all your messages without any hassle. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Messages icon at the top right corner. It usually looks like a little paper airplane or a chat bubble. Tap on it to enter your direct messages inbox. Now scroll through your list of conversations and find the chat that's been buzzing a little too much lately. Maybe it's a group chat or just someone who loves to send messages at all hours. When you found the chat you want to mute, press and hold on that conversation. This long press will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, tap on Mute Messages. A new set of options will pop up, letting you choose how long you want to mute notifications for this chat. Here's where you select 24 hours. Just tap on it, and Instagram will instantly silence notifications from this conversation for the next full day. That's it. You've successfully muted chat notifications for 24 hours. You won't get any alerts from that chat, but you can still open the conversation and read messages whenever you want. And don't worry, muting a chat doesn't delete it or let the other person know you've muted them. It just gives you a little peace and quiet. When the 24 hours are up, notifications will automatically resume. If you ever want to unmute the chat sooner or extend the mute, just repeat these steps and choose the option that works best for you. Thanks for watching. Now you can enjoy a distraction-free Instagram experience while still keeping up with the conversations that matter most to you.